Brothers and sisters, I'm Jesse, and today we're going to be making almond milk for these times. And it's going to be streaming, bubbling, with aliveness, with vitality, with energy, with life energy. So what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be starting with some spring water, which we're going to be putting in a blender. And I would say, off the top of my head, if you use the ratio of something like 2 or 3 cups of water to a tablespoon of almond butter, something like that would work just so very well. So here we are with a blender, and we take our Living Tree Alive Organic Almond Butter. Everyone else puts it right through grinding machines. At Living Tree, we do not grind. We slice. We slice, we let it rest overnight, and we slice again the next day. And of course, the almonds come from a farming family here in California, in the vicinity of Fresno, a farming family of 5 generations. And they produce over 1 million pounds of almonds each year. And they're expecting a very good crop because so far we've had the rains here in California, perfect weather conditions, so we're definitely going forward. So here I'm going to be taking a heaping tablespoon of Alive Organic Almond Butter, and I'm putting it in the blender with spring water. Here we go. Let's blend this and see how it comes out. And that's all it is. White and creamy smooth. It flashed into aliveness, and nothing could be simpler. Yes, of course, you could go to the store and buy yourself a container of almond milk. It's been sitting on that shelf for who knows how long, and of course it's been pasteurized. But this is it. It's all so simple. Just some spring water in a blender, a tablespoon or 2 of Alive Organic Almond Butter, and simply press the button, and that's all it is. Fresh almond milk. Fresh almond milk, and of course, whatever you cannot drink, you can store in your refrigerator. It would keep so well for around 3 to 5 days or so. So here you have Alive Organic Almond Milk made instantaneously. But we're not going to stop there. We are blessed here in California with the first fruits of the season. So let's go ahead with some blueberries, and we're going to be adding some blueberries. Something like that. And then we have here the first peaches. This is a white organic peach. It's just appeared just days ago. So let's put in some peach slices. Some peach slices. And of course, how could we not add some strawberries? And last of all, this is truly a miracle, showing that despite everything, there's so much vibrant life. There are so many life-affirming opportunities out there. These are the first cherries of the season. So let's see if we can gingerly remove the pits. here some slices of cherry. So there you have it. We have blueberries, peaches, strawberries, and cherries. Let's give it a blend. And here we have it, an almond milk for these times, filled with vibrancy, alive, streaming with life energy. And that's what we've got to do in these times. We have got to be examples, each one of us, in ourselves and in relations to others, not hiding behind masks, not isolating. All of these things are true, however, but we've got to be streaming, bubbling, and alive, and exemplify life force, exemplify energy, and go through with a resolution that when this crisis is over, when it's past, and already there are signs that it's ameliorating, when it's over, through, and done with, we will go through to create our front lawns into fruit gardens, to create our backyards into French intensive biodynamic raised bed gardens, to build community gardens everywhere, to transform public parks into public fruit orchards, and of course do our utmost to build here in these United States an edible garden for the American spirit. That's what it's all about, brothers and sisters. To go forward, to meet the challenge of these times, and go forward with bubbling, streaming aliveness. It's a privilege and pleasure to share some thoughts with you. We love your comments and suggestions. Thank you indeed. Let's go forward.